Do you leave the VPN on all the time? Here's the honest answer. A VPN routes your traffic through an extra server, so it does slow down your internet a bit. Usually not noticeable, but on a fast home connection, you'd probably prefer not to lose speed if you don't have to. The smart pattern for most people is trust your home and work Wi-Fi and let the VPN turn on automatically the moment you connect to anything else, like a cafe, a hotel, or an airport. That way you're protected everywhere it actually matters without any manual work. We'll set that up in the next section. The one time you'd want to disconnect is if a website or app blocks VPN traffic. Some banks and streaming services do. Click disconnect, do what you need, and then reconnect. The app has a lot of settings, but for most people there are two worth turning on. We'll do them quickly. One's in the settings menu and one's elsewhere in the app. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then click settings. All right, first we'll set up auto connect. This makes the VPN turn itself on whenever you start your computer so you don't have to think about it. In the settings sidebar, make sure you're on the General tab, and then if it's not already, toggle on Launch the app on System Startup. Then click Auto Connect in the settings on the left side, and then toggle on Use Auto Connect. Under Current Network, you can click Trust this network, and this will make it so that the VPN will automatically turn on if you're connected to untrusted networks like at a cafe or a hotel, but it'll stay off for your trusted home network. You can always, of course, turn on the VPN manually while you're at home if you need to change your location for anything. Second, let's set up the malware and scam protection. This blocks ads, trackers, malicious websites, and phishing scams before they even load. Click the shield icon on the left side of the app. And I already set this up earlier during the onboarding sequence, but if for some reason it's not set up for you, go ahead and follow the prompts to turn it on. That's the two settings. Auto connect so you don't have to think about it, and the malware and scam protection so ads and dangerous sites get blocked automatically. If you haven't grabbed the deal yet, use the link in the description below to get the best available price on NordVPN, with a 30-day money-back guarantee in case it's not for you. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe out there.